Hi guys, happy Sunday to you. I know it's rainy and wet, so you must be inside doing your research. Um, I just wanted to show you what I assigned for homework to clarify. It doesn't look like anyone has submitted anything. I don't know if that's because you're hard at work, but I hope that you do begin this. Don't underestimate how long research takes. Okay, so a couple things. The first thing is that I have responded to all of your narrowing topic worksheets that you guys did in class on Tuesday. So I want to look specifically at Will's group because I'm going to, not for any reason other than I have his folder open. So down at the bottom, you will see where your comments are. And in some cases, I may have even linked things through it. Websites, files, and suggestions. A lot of you guys need to do some basic biology reading about your topic, because the more you learn about your actual topic, the clearer the questions are going to be. I also want to make sure that you're each focusing on and defining your characteristic of life that you'll be zeroing in on. So a lot of you guys, I've asked you that you should define that more. So this is where you'll find your comments, but where I want you guys to answer them is actually in your lab notebook. So, that marble composition book, you should be researching and writing down web pages and authors and things like that. Or if you're just using your textbook, just write textbook, But I do want you to begin to kind of think about what's important. Do you need to write down everything? No. You need to write down key information that's going to be critical for developing your research project, okay? So that's one part of your homework assignment. On Monday, I will collect them and I will kind of look at them and get a sense of what you guys did this weekend, and you will get a homework grade for it. The other thing I want to do is get you guys to practice synthesizing. So let's say you spent 45 minutes doing your research this weekend. I want to know what your main idea is. So the other thing I want to show you that I did was I shared with each of you, I shared a folder. Okay, and so Will's folder is here at the top, so I'm going to click on that. So what I want you to do is look in your email, and my daughter just walked in, and I want to, so I shared a folder with you. Look in your email. The other place you can do is log on to your Google. If you click on Drive, your Drive will be opening up. Okay, and then you would go to Shared with Me, and you'd look for your folder. Now, you didn't share any folders with me, so I'm the one that shared it with you, but that's where you would find the folder. So let me just go back to where that folder was in my own Google Drive. Okay. And the reason why I collected this folder is because I want it to be a portal for you to share stuff with me. And I also wanted you to have an online journal. And this is where you will be reflecting on your research. And so what I want you guys to do is in the next, tonight for homework, and the next thing I want you to date. So I'll do it for Will. Date it and give it the name. So this is homework research -3. And then depending upon what I ask you to do for homework, so let's look at the assignment here. Okay, here it is. Please review the comments I made. Use your research journal, take notes. I talked to you about that. Please find the folder. I talked to you about that. And I would like you to date one of the boxes and enter a short 3-sentence response summarizing your research. So this is how I'll find out that you've actually learned something, and it allows you to show yourself that you learned something. So I'll be tracking that as well. So I hope that's helpful and clarifies what your homework is for this weekend. Have a nice, wonderful evening, and good luck tomorrow at your day of service. Bye-bye.